Now it's some kind of looping that we want you to understand. Okay? For loop correspond to having the condition first and then followed by the loop body. Okay? That means from the top, this is the enter point. You enter here, you check the condition. If the condition is true, you do the loop body and check the condition again. Okay? If the condition is false, you go to the next instruction. Okay? Like this one. CMP and BGT correspond to the condition box, the diamond box. So the problem is assembly instruction allows you to jump out if the condition is true. Okay? You branch out or you jump out. So therefore the condition here, BGT, is the opposite of less than or equal. Okay? So less than or equals is the not of greater than. Okay? Remember? Not of greater than. Now, therefore, this loop will work. Okay? To sum up, I equals 1 to 10. To sum up, I equals 1 to 10. Okay? For loop and while loop, they are the same in C language. So you check the condition first and then you do the loop if the condition is true. Okay? Look at this as an if. Look at it as an if, special if. Okay? If the condition is true, you do the body and then you come back to the if again. It's my own personal thought of while loop. Okay? Look at while loop as an if, a special if. And if the condition is false, you get out of the loop. Okay? Same idea as the for loop. You have the entry point as a condition first. And the last type of loop is called do while loop. Okay? Do while loop will enter the loop body one time at least. And then check the condition, and if the condition is true, you go back to the loop body again, and then follow to the condition. And it's going to stop if the condition is false. Okay? That's why the diamond is here. These two instructions are the loop body. Okay? These two instructions are the loop body. Okay. And I'm gonna stop here.